All right, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my live stream. So I'm making this video in two ways. I'm live streaming on BitGet, and I'm also doing recording it for YouTube purpose, right? To upload it, right? So in this video, I'm going to take you guys step by step on how to do technical analysis, and this technical analysis is going to be very very simple. So please, you just pay attention, close attention, and you're going to understand everything I was saying in this video, right? And so I was in a group, and I see some two persons complain about like kind of technical analysis, and I say I offer myself to make a technical analysis video and send, right. So it's my work on my pages, on my social media platforms. You will find solution, any solution you are looking for, about crypto or blockchain in general, right. And please, again, how am I going to put this? Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyway, you are watching my video, make sure you subscribe to Inherit Digital World, right? So I'm going to choose another coin that I've never analyzed before, and we're going to use it as example or as practical or stuff, something like that, right? So if you see here, look at my screen. This is Solana. You see that Solana is happening exact same way I analyze, right? So for some people that follow me way back, they see that I talk about Solana. I told them that Solana created a double pattern, a double top, and this is a reversal pattern. And this reversal pattern is, Solana is going to drop. And I say I mark this place, that this place here at this 180 $80 is going to be a strong key level of Solana, and this place here is going to be a zone. So I say Solana is going to drop down to even 100. And see, this is where I dropped before. I say Solana is going to drop to 100 and what? No, to $121 before, but it dropped to $126. This is it here, right? Dropped to 126 $126, and it moved back again. But here Solana is still going to drop back, right? So I'm even still expecting Solana to drop down to $107. So that is where I'm even going to buy Solana more, right? So as you can see here, my analysis is happening every 100%. If you see here from back here, I've been analyzing Solana, and everything is coming here. Like I do call myself King of Solana, right? I call myself King of Solana, right? So let's check something. So here we are on time frame, 1 week time frame. Let's come back to a day time frame. Even on day time frame, you see that everything is happening 100%. As you can see, a reversal pattern happen just create here. So Solana is still going to drop down to 130 something dollars, and then from here, if you want to enter, you can just enter. But we're not going to talk much about this, right? I just want to show you guys that my analysis has been playing out. So what I'm showing you guys in this video is what has been working for me, and is what other people has been benefiting for me, right, when it comes to technical analysis, right. So that's the reason why I'm showing you guys my previous work, my previous analysis, how I've been doing everything, and everything has been working out for me 100%, right. So in this video, we are going to choose a different coins to create, to analyze, right. So let's check Ton. I'm just going to choose a random coin to analyze, right, so that you guys will know that I know what I'm talking about, and I know what I'm really doing here, right. So Ton coin here, I've never analyzed Ton here before. I wonder why I never analyzed Ton. This is crazy, bro. Like, this crazy. This crazy. This crazy, bro. Ton, like, do I mean I'm here to analyze Ton? Like, this is crazy. Like, so sorry, I'm coming. Let me check something in my group. Let me check something in my group. Okay, let's go back. All right. So, guys, there is something you need to understand, right? I'm going to give you things that you need to consider. Analyze Ton. Let me check my analysis on Ton. Okay, I actually analyzed Ton. Okay, from here, Ton is going to move back around this area. My analysis have not yet played here 100%. So it actually play here is go back, almost hit my TP, but it did not hit. So, but for some people that bought it, they make profit, right? From here, they will make profit because analyze turn from $2, 2.4, and it moved to $4. So that is 100x. So if you buy this kind of coin and you get 100x, then you are supposed to take your profit. If you did not take your profit, then you are a greedy person, right? right. So the market is dropping. So let's choose another coin because I've analyzed this coin before. Let me choose another random coin. Are you guys connected? If you're connected, like if you connect with me here, just tell me which coin to analyze, right? So let me just choose another coin, and I can analyze anything. I can analyze forex, euro USD. I can analyze this. Okay, so let's just choose check AVAX. So have I ever analyzed AVAX, which is Avalanche? Avalanche. So it seems that I'm yet to analyze Avalanche. It seems like that. It seems like that. Yeah, I'm yet to analyze Avalanche, right? So you see what is gonna happen. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my god. So I analyze Avalanche. So I also analyze Avalanche. So I almost okay. All these coins here are coins that I analyze. Oh, which coin are we going to analyze? Let me choose one here. Let's just analyze Ton. So I'll clean all the all the Ton charts, stuff like that, and all of those things, so that we start. So let me share you guys something. When you come to analyze crypto, let me tell you things that matters a lot. See, first thing you need to consider. Look at this. Look at this. This is time frame. You need to consider time frame. Time frame is very important. After that, charts patterns. We have line chart here and we have candlestick charts. Very important. A lot of people don't understand the power of line charts. The power of line chart. A lot of people don't understand the power of line chart. I'm going to show you guys the power of line chart, but I think this is going to be in my second video on technical analysis, that I will show you guys what's the power of line chart that a lot of technical analysts don't know, right? I think I will leave that one. So time frame is very, very important. Why is it very important? The candlestick you see here determine the time frame. You see this place here, you see day. I'm going to put it on day. We have day. We have from 10, we have 1 minute, 2 minutes, that down to 1 hour to 4 hours, and down to 1 day, 1 day to 1 week to 12 months. Now let's say we are on 1 day. You see this? If you put this on 1 day, it means that one candlestick here, it take one candlestick, it take a day for this one candlestick to completely form. It take a day for a candlestick to completely form. That is what time frame. That's how time frame works. Now if you put here, so for example, if you put on 4 hours, 4 hours time frame, then it means that's why you see that it's now wide. See, as I bring it on 4 hours time frame, you see that the chart is now wide. I have to bring it close again using my mouse to bring it close again. So it means that one candlestick here, it take 4 hours for one candlestick to create. So that is what time frame is. So you need to understand what time frame is and how to use time frame and the kind of trade you are entering, because the kind of trade, the kind of position you are entering determine your time frame, right? So if you are a long trader, you need a longer time frame. So you need to analyze on longer time frame, and you also need to enter your market on longer time frame if you are a long time investor. Right now, generally, it is good to analyze your market on longer time frame, but when it comes to day trader, if you just want to make your profit at that very day, or maybe like 2 days and stuff like that, you need to, when it comes to crypto, you need to enter your market. You need to analyze on a longer time frame, but enter your market on a shorter time frame. This help you to execute your trade this help your trade to execute very, very fast. But as a long time trader, as a long time investor, if you analyze on longer time frame, make sure you enter on longer time frame again, so that you know confuse your money, you know confuse the market, right? So that you know what you are doing, right? So that you know what you are doing, right? So that's how longer time frame is. Now there is what we call top down analysis. Top down analysis help a lot. Now, when it comes to top-down analysis, top-down analysis also work on longer time frame, right? So top-down analysis actually is what we use longer time frame, like 1 year, 6 months, to analyze a market. What do? We check the previous market to analyze the future. And this is what technical analysis is all about. In the technical analysis, what technical analysis simply means, analyzing the previous market for you to predict the future. Now, what happened is, whatever happened in the previous market, whatever happened in the past, likely happen in the future. And that is the reason why we have key levels, right? The market come back and fall back to the key level. If I take my time and teach you what key level is, you know that key level come back, the market come back, respect key level. Key levels is what has happened from the previous market. Do you understand? So I've talked a lot. So let me destroy everything, and then from there we'll start from the beginning, right? I'm going to delete everything here. This one is very easy for me to delete. So this technical analysis I want to show you, very, very simple. Very, very simple. Please, very simple. Please, very simple. I'm not going to go deep. If I go deep, you don't know. The people that request to create this, they don't really need a deep technical analysis. If they need, they will let me know. They will let me know. Right. So when you come to technical analysis and when you come to top-down analysis, you're going on time frame first. So look at it here. Go on time frame. So here I'm going to select down to a year. Let me see. To a year. To 12 months. 12 months make it a year. Now bring it back. So this is what crypto is all about. You see, crypto, if it is Forex now, Forex we take, like, you see all this candlestick you were seeing. When I bring it to 12 months time frame, which is a year, what we are having here is we are only having 4 candlestick. Now, this 4 candlestick represent 4 years. 4 candlestick that you see here represent 4 years, and it's telling you that it take 1 year. It take 1 year for this candlestick to form complete here, right? So this is where market comes in, technical analysis comes in. Now, see something. When you come here, this is chart. This is candlestick chart. Now, I will show you the power of. I'll start showing you the power of line charts. When you come here, please change this to line chart. This is line chart. Change it to line chart. When you change it to line chart, the first line you draw from the bottom of the candlestick. Now draw another line up here. What is it? In between this purple and this yellow is a zone, and the purple is serving as support level and the yellow is serving as resistance level. Right now, why do we mark this? Why do we use line charts to mark here? Now, line charts will give you exactly where the body of the candlestick form, and it will not leave the wick. It will not include the wick candlestick. You see that long thin line that is up. We call it wick or rejection. Now, line chart will not really give you that one, because that one is a rejection. When it show, it means that the market is not going to go in that direction. It's going to pull back, go another direction, right? It's going to downtrend or uptrend. But line chart will give you exactly the body of the candlesticks, right? Now, I'm going to show you guys what I'm trying to explain. So we are going to go back to candlestick pattern. So you see candlestick pattern. So this candlestick give us exactly the upper one here, give us exactly where the body is. Even this one here give us exactly where the body is, right? But it did not include this down one here. So what we are going to now do is, from here we'll go back to that line chart now, but then increase the 12 days, reduce the 12 days, 12 months to 6 months. It will split again. Now when it splits, remember the other line that was hidden is now out again. That is why they call it technical analysis. It's kind of, it's somehow. So we are going to mark that one again. Now, if you go to line to candlestick chart, you see that it's marked, that line that I marked down here is in the body of that candlestick exactly, and is not including this. Look at this. And it's not including all of this week. It's not including all of this week, right? So I'll come and mark another line here. Those lines are very, very important, right? So let's come here, and I'm going to mark another line here. So if I click this, you see it dropped there exactly. So what I'm doing here is what am I tracking? Let me just give you guys in a very simple way. What am I tracking here? I'm tracking two things. I'm tracking two things. I want to get where the zone is, which is support and resistance level, and I want to get where a key level is. I trade key level. That is what I trade. That is my own strategy. Is key level I trade. I just look for key level. Bam, I'll enter my market. Ping. Once I get there, I move out. So from here, I'm going to increase this again. Now here we have already gotten two zones here. We have one. Wait, let me show you guys this. Let me use. We have first zone. This is it that I'm talking about here. I have from down here to up here, right? That is the zone. This is the zone here, right? The resistance and support level here. Down here, we are draw this angle here. This chart here is support, and up here where purple is what they call is a resistance, and down here again. Then we now cross here. In between this purple here and this yellow that is up here is a zone again, right? So I'm trying to look into inside this place. There's another zone again. There's another other zone. There's the other zone that I'm trying to target, and in between this place here and upper here again, there's another zone that I'm looking at again. So I'm going to reduce this from 6 time frame again to 3 months time frame, and this will split again, and then I will mark this. You see, I'm going to mark this here again. We mark this from where the current market is. This is where the current market is, right? So from up here to up here is another zone. I'm going to reduce this to 1 month time frame. Split. You see, the market will now split again. Now from here, I'm going to reduce this. You see all of these things that I'm marking here, I'll see adjust some things. Now I'm going to mark another line here. I'm going to mark another line here. Then when I mark this line here, I've already gotten another zone from here to here, which is very small, which is from $3, from $2 to $3, where the market can easily go. From here, this thing alone have given me that, okay, it is very simple for turn to move from $2.6 or $2.7 where it is back to this place here, back to $4, but before that it will now drop back to what? Back to $3. Now let me now show you guys another important angle that is good to mark again. This place here. Now why do I mark there? And I'm going to change that color to green, right? Why do I mark that green? That green, you see this V shape that show here is a key level. This V shape that show here is a key level. Let me show you guys the V that I'm talking about. Let me show you. Oh, you see this V that I'm talking about? You see this V inside here is a key level. You see that V? This V here. That V is a key level. So I need to mark it. It's very, very important. Now, then I'm not seeing this. You see all these things that are here. I'll see remove some line, and then adjust some. Then you now adjust this one. This place again here, around this place, upper here. You can later I will adjust all of this and put some other tools, right? But right now I'm focusing in between this line to this line, in between the current price of the coin. So let's go back to line chart, to candlestick chart. So you see everything that I'm dropping here. So now in this technical analysis, now in this place now, Where I'm expecting here is I'm expecting Solar. I'm expecting Ton to come back to around 2 point 2.6 or down to $2.5 and then come back to this place, because this place here is a key level, is a resistance level, is a resistance level as a key level. In my next video, I will explain what key level really is, how to figure out key level, because if I want to explain how to figure out key level in this video, it's going to take a lot of time and you guys may not understand it, and also the video is going to be long, right? So what I actually target is key level. Now this place here is a key level. Why do I say it's a key level? And this is where the market is going to come, right? See this place here. Now let me mark it. And this candlestick, this line that you see here, let me show you guys. See, you see this line, you see this line that you see here, this wick that you see here is an imbalance. This market will come down and cross down to this place, past that line. So see, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Ton is dropping down. It's going to drop in future. It's going to drop down to $2, 2 point something dollars. And if breakouts happen here, it may even drop down to $1. If breakouts actually happen, but it will take time. Before that, it will reverse from this place from $2 and then back to around this area, $3 or so, right? So let's delete that. So this place here, you just target this zone. You see, how I'm going to put that, you guys will understand, because I want to really make this very easy. I don't want to make it long at all, right? I don't want to make it long at all. So you see this place here. You see this place here. Here is a key level. Why is it key level? Where I mark that line is a key level. Let me delete it and explain why it's key level. When the market come up here, rejection starts here. The market come down. Rejection go back and reversal pattern. This thing that you see here, this candlestick also have names, right? They have names. So reversal pattern happen here, and when reversal pattern happen, Ton come down and drop down to this place again. Now when Ton drop down to this place again, Ton move up again, and then from there, when Ton move up, that's why you see that the market come down here, and when the market was coming up, it does not just pass here. It consolidates here before it pass. Oh my goodness, my battery is getting low. Let me plug it. Let me look. All right, so let me complete here, and then the market come up from here. The market did not just pass here, right? This market did not, the coin did not just pass here, and it consolidates here before it break out and go up. Now as the market, as Ton continue coming down, Ton will come down and respect this previous market, this previous place here. You see this thing? Ton must come back and respect it. But once Ton come down to this place, which is $2, $2.5, bro, I'm telling you, the next move of Ton is going to be crazy. Like Ton is going to move so huge. Ton is going to move so huge, right? So let me mark this place here. So you see this place here, Ton is going to come here. Sorry. So Ton is going to come, move down here, and then up again, right? Sorry. My network is already disconnected. So Ton is going to move up here. Ton is going to move up here and go back. So what you need to do is you always target key level. So if you don't understand anything, say it in the comment section below, and I'm going to reply you. Or I'm going to make another video. I'm going to make continuation of this video. Why? Because my network is bad. My network is giving me issues. So I'll end